What's up, YouTube? Back with another banger. Here, I know I got this mask on, but I'm here at work. Finna go through some trades with y'all. Show y'all how I made money off of gold this week. Okay, it went up. We had news to come out today. It went up to even a higher high. But this video is going to be about how I profited off of gold this week, okay? And we're not through. We got the drop that we was looking for, okay? But then it shot right on back up and made a higher high, okay? So, if you have been following, I have not made a video in a while, but your girl is back, and I'm dropping nothing but bangers. Let's get into it. Let's get to it. Pro-Mfn-Ductive. What is up, y'all? What is up? I miss y'all. Like earlier I said, we're getting into how I made some money on gold. I love gold, but I recently just got into metals and commodities. I usually just mess with currencies. As y'all know, I'm a UCAD girl, but again, so I came in, I just want to recap. So this is when I had did this with gold. I got in like at 1680 something. Look at where I brought it, right? And look where it broke. This is the minute chart, okay? Look how it surpassed all those highs. Look, even on the 5 minute right here, it was strong, okay? And that's what led me to that to a little quick profit, okay? Because my lot size, okay, is 0.8. You will always notice that every time price finna run again, it'll dip back down. Okay, so this is all it did, was dip back down and hit my EMA lines, and then once it broke here, you see where I have my stop loss that is still up there. While I covered on price, I had been in the trade, but this is where I covered my money at. So once it hit there and broke that, that was a new level, okay? That became support, and we were looking for the next most current resistance, okay? So now I want to get into real time right now. So this is gold today. This is gold now. Okay, it has jumped from when we was in it. 1693 is the last time I left it, right? Now look at all of that. I got in like here. Gold has been on an uprise. This is the weekly time frame. You know, I like to start on higher time frames to kind of see where we're at, where we're going. It's looking like it's reaching its old resistances, okay? So when price was down here, it was okay. When it broke here, you knew it was going to keep rising. You see that? Boom. That would have been perfect to get into right here. When price came up over here and it dipped low and then it made this high right here and it kept going, that would have been perfect to get in here. So you could have rolled it. But it was such a whipsaw, and this is on the weekly here. And we've had some news, okay? So, and then boom, you see this week what it do when it hit the EMA. Price reacted and bounced off and hit it again. Okay, pulled back a little and made another higher high. Okay, so what I like to do is, y'all already know, I come in and do a top-down analysis. So look at this week on this weekly, right? I'm take it down to the daily and just kind of show you that we're getting pushback. That's that weak reaction, okay, on a smaller time frame. So on a day it's showing like, okay, we got a little resistance here at this area. Alright, so that's where you get these red candles. And if we go down, this is daily time frame, go down to 4 hour, you're gonna see more red, okay? So if you would have took that trade, that sale, when that wick started forming and left it, this would have been a good little trade, okay? And as you go down more, this would have been like your entry points. The lower the time frame, the better you can call your entries, okay? So again, from that week on that weekly, you just see the down, okay? Boom, goes back up, tries to come back up, can't make it, hit it again, consolidation, up, can't make it, hit it again, okay? So this is where we're at, and it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. It's meeting, going back down to the supports, okay? So it'll probably come back down to like 1792 or to try. So I already hit 1797. So we'll just see, ain't nothing wrong with just watching it. Again, I'm looking at downtrend, like I said, because on a higher time frame, it's already giving us red candles. It's already giving us bearish momentum, bearish appeal, showing us that the bears are taking over, right? And then as we keep going into lower time frames, it's showing what's dominant, which is the red, which is the bears, right? Showing that it's overbought. It's been running, and it has been running. It's been running, so I've been on a good run. So now, it's coming back, and look at this. It's under the EMA line. So if it doesn't break above it and then give us kind of like, some retesting above the EMA lines, then I'm not going to say that I don't think it's going to continue to give us another level up past 1817, and that's where we're at right now. I mean, sorry, we're not at 1817, but that's the last previous high resistance, right, around this area. We're down here at 1798, and we done came from 1817 to 1798, okay? Our actual lowest price, the last was 1796 something, okay? 1796.80, so you just see. But and this is the low, the red one down here. So if it drops any lower, the good thing about it is being patient. This market, you have to be patient. You have to wait and play out. So the key thing that I would say just look at would be the low exponential EMA right here. So I have my high one on, we call it the yellow brick road, and this the low one right here. So price keep on, it's being rejected here, okay, and it stayed under here, okay. So it's Friday the market is closed, so it's staying under. Most likely when the market opens back up, it will follow suit of what it did on Friday. Okay, so we will see what is going to go on, okay, by watching it, and then what is going to add to our edges is our momentum, okay. And when I say that, I mean things like, I'm going to show you. Forex Factory, okay? You have to become involved in whatever skill that it is that you want to do. Okay, so this is Forex Factory. This is the news. Before you go on the trade, before you give me all your good information, you definitely need Forex Factory or something to tell you about the news. This one that you see here on this blue, this is for the currencies. You see what happened today. It was NFP day, unemployment rate. It was actually good. We went from the millions. Now we're back down to the hundreds and thousands. So you see it's green, so it was positive. Again, the red folders mean high impact. That means it will impact the market, okay? So, but we're not talking about currencies. Remember, we're talking about gold metals. So I just push that, and then I go down to my metals. Okay, boom, gold popped up 1774. And you know, little things hit up like this. Gold hit highs, but why is the silver price still rising? You know, if I was interested in trading silver, that would be a nice article to read, but I'm not, okay? I'm just going to look for what was the last thing. 40 minutes ago, gold headed into historic test at 2011 high. So all that means is it's going to 2011 high. It's going as high as it did in 2011. That's their prediction, okay? You can click on it. It tells you, okay, it closed at 4 p.m. But I'm trying to get it to pull up the chart. You know, you have to be interactive with things like this. I'm just trying to show you how a trader mind works, okay? When everything starts pulling together, okay? So it's acting up. It's not going to pull out the chart for me, probably because the market is closed, and that's fine. I can definitely show you live when the market opens back up on Sunday and we go through our charts. Okay, I haven't been that active, but I'm going to start to be, because I'm in the middle of my journey and manifestation and just doing more, you know, what my purpose is and what I'm called upon to do. So I definitely am going to be here for y'all. Okay, so this is TradingView. This is just another platform. This is the platform I love to come on here and play on, okay? Look at my charts on, not play on, but look at my charts on, because you can write on here, you can mark up your charts better. They got ideas of other people who trade like us, you know. And you can just see what they got going on. Let's push ideals, okay? You're gonna see some people are saying they're gonna short the market, of course, right? And then you got some people are saying, they're still saying they're going to short it. It's going to go down here to this third level, which I agree. Then bounce back up. Okay, so you just got different views. That's why they call it ideals, right? You could also post your ideas after you mark up your chart, but that's what we got going on. You can even see on the little line chart that we just left from, you can even see the downtrend starting, okay? So it broke off the cross. It broke. So it broke here, okay? I don't know why thing wants to act up. It broke right here, and it was like saying, okay, what's going on? It was saying, oh, what's going on with the chart? That's fine. So what I was saying is it broke here, okay? It broke here. So it was more like, if you believe in counting levels, one level right here from here, right? And then it gave us that pull up, which if in a downtrend, that's what it'll do. This green candle right here. And then it made a lower low. Then from right here, okay? So then it did the same thing, pull it back up. And that's what we're in the middle of doing and waiting. Now I'm trying to erase it. Okay, I just figured it out. I just put the trash can rule drawings, okay? So like I was saying, you can already tell, like I said, broke, and this would be like the third level right here, because we're getting rejection. We got our pull back up, okay, from all this downtrend. The second level got it up, and it's saying, okay, resistance, we're meeting resistance, and it stayed up under the EMA line, okay? And so I'm expecting it to go lower than this low, okay? Because this was the second level's low. So if we're thinking levels and resistance and support, then I would say it would go here. That's where if I was going to get in, I would get in when the market open back up, or I will wait till Monday. But by Monday Asian, it'll probably be halfway on that level. So yeah, just expecting it to go lower, okay, or hit the same level, hit the same spot where it went before, okay? And then we'll be looking for it to turn around. Okay, but we will see, because if you're looking on a higher time frame, you know, it's done it. Okay, if this was the week, boom, boom, and boom. And now we're on the rise back up, either to go back to right here, where price is seeming to become, be rejected. So if it is, we'll know, because we'll be watching, okay? If this is just a pullback, if this green candle right here is just a pullback for another drop, and it goes up under the EMA line, like, but I highly doubt it. Then we'll have something to revise. But I love y'all. I thank y'all for supporting me. There go my girl, B. Simone. Shout out to B. Simone and Manifestation, and showing everybody how life is supposed to be lived. Life is love. God is love. Okay? I will see y'all good folks later. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it was informational. I hope I helped everyday people, everyday girls, everyday boys, you know, make this a little bit more simpler. Like I said, I will be back. And, you know, we at this thing.